Hey everybody, this is Brian from Khaki Shorts. We've got some landscapers coming today to do some work on our terrace because it's looking a little bare. So come along with us and we will show you the before, the after, and how these guys work. This is Khaki Shorts, where we cover travel, food, and just utter nonsense. So thanks for coming along. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos about our life here in Thailand.